Are you still confused on how to go about long division? Don't worry, here is a simple trick that can save you time and make long division feel easy. Ensure you watch the entire video till the end to grab every details of it. So when you are given a long division to solve, there are 4 steps to follow to solve any long division, no matter how no matter the number of digits you are given. There are 4 steps to follow. Steps. You have steps. Steps. Number 1. Step number 1. D. 2. M. 3. X. 4. B. This one is divide. Divide. This is multiply. Multiply. This is subtract. And this is bring down. So you need to master these 4 steps in calculating log division. Once you master this 4 steps in calculating log division, there is no log division that you cannot solve. So this is a 4th step. D, divide. M, multiply. X, subtract. B, break down. So we are going to be applying this 4th step to solve this division. This division, that is, divide 1 digit by this divide head. So now what you need to do is this, following this step. So you have 8, 6, 4, there 4. Okay, so we are going to be applying these steps to calculate this division. So the first one is divide. Divide. So 4 divided by this, that is, in how many places, in how many times can 4 divide this? So it's simply 2. 2. That is divide. Divide. We have divide this by this. So now, second step is what? Multiply. So we are going to multiply these 2 by 4. That will give us 8. 8. Okay. So the third one is, the third step is subtract. So if it's subtracting, subtract 8 minus 8, that is 0. Okay, that is 0. So we are going to, you move to the 4th step, which is bring down. Break down means the next digit will be 6. Will be 6. The next digit will be 6. Now, so now moving to the second digit, now we have gone through the 4th stage. Now the second stage is you divide this again by this. Okay, you divide this again. You go to repeat everything until the final result is 0 here. So 6 divided by 4 will give you 1. Okay, 6 divided by 4 will give you 1. So that is the first step. Then the second step is multiply. You are going to multiply this 1 by 4. So you have 4. You have 4. Okay. Now, the third step is what? Subtract. You are going to subtract 4 from 6. Okay. You understand? 6 minus 4, that is 2. That is 2. 6 minus 4, that is 2. Hope you are following. Hope you are following. 6 minus 4, that is 2. So, the fourth one is bring down. We are going to break this 4 down to this place. So that will give us 4. Okay, 4. 4. Now we have finished with this. You now go to repeat again the process with this. So 24 divided by 4, that will give us 6. That will give us 6. That is the first step. Then the second step is multiply. You are going to multiply this 6 by 4. Okay, that is 6 times 4. That is 24. 24. Okay, 24. Then the third one is a subtract. Subtract. So subtract. So 24 minus 24, that is 0. So that comes to the final calculation. Therefore, 864 divided by 4 will give us 216. 216. Therefore, 864 divided by 4 is equal to 216. So this is the method. This is a simple trick that you can use to calculate any long division. So I hope you're able to grab something from this video. So if you still have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. So I'll be glad to respond to every single one. So my name still remains Olusegun Abuboke. So don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share to support the channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.